We're going to a winter garden installation by Kris at Littlefield Garden. Kris, what's happening today here at the Littlefield Garden?
Okay, this is the winter garden. I started this work about 6 years ago. And 2 years into the project, the garden completely changed because the horticultural department was gifted rocks and granite. And so the students designed more hardscape and rocks, and so I had to completely rethink what I was going to do in the garden. And then, after I kind of did that, I started to proceed. I knew I wanted to dress the garden in wool. And as time went on, I collected plant materials over 3 years. The first year, I rolled the plant material in fabric, wool, natural wool fabric, yards of fabric, had 6 bundles, and I buried those bundles at 6 different sites in the winter garden. And I let the biological processes mark the wool. And so the wool, the garments that the plants and the rock are wearing, imbibe the winter garden over space and time of one winter. And then I decided that I wanted to construct the garments with design in mind. And plants have strategies to keep warm. They don't need me to keep them warm. Rocks, well, they don't need to keep warm either. So I focused more on project, runway, dress, and ornamental parts of garments design, like cuffs and overwrapping skirts and mini skirt. And so that's kind of what I did, and it's taken me 6 years to complete the work. So enjoy the winter garden. It's a cotton, very lightweight sheer fabric, and I silk screened it with structures of the seeds from the plants that are dressed in the winter garden.
Summer dress for Ulmus parvifolia, Chinese elm. Wool, main wool textile thread, seeds of Gladystia tiracanthos, honey locust, seeds of...
This is a medallion wrapped skirt on a honey locust tree.
Really good, yeah. Work. Look at the leaves on it.
These are birch cuffs for ash trees, we think.
This is a double-breasted jacket for granite. This is the mini skirt for the monarch birch. This is the clutch for the Japanese red pine.
We have 4 drinks in the shed. I'm going to put them out for you guys.